The pictures to be shown were taken at the different terminals along our line of railroad from St. Paul, where you see the Empire Builder just leaving the Union Station, beginning its westward journey to the Pacific Northwest. Train 23 leaving Minneapolis. Butte. Whitefish Yard. Hilliard Depot. King Street Station, Seattle. Klamath Falls Office and Depot Building, and various other terminals. We will first discuss train service accidents. These account for 6 out of each 10 employee fatalities. We will point out some of the more serious of unsafe practices that are too often indulged in. Also, the right and safe way of doing the same job.